In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Copilot. This is a very quick and simple process, and you can do it directly from your Windows device using the Microsoft Store. If you're new to installing apps from the store, don't worry. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. You can usually find it from your Start menu or by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once the Microsoft Store is open, give it a moment to load fully so everything appears correctly. Next, go to the search bar inside the Microsoft Store and type Microsoft Copilot or simply Copilot. Either search term should help you find the app. After you enter the search, look through the results carefully to make sure you choose the correct app. When you see Microsoft Copilot in the search results, select it to open the app page. This is a good moment to quickly confirm that you're on the official listing before installing. Taking a second to verify the app name can help you avoid downloading the wrong application, especially if several similar results appear. Once you're on the Microsoft Copilot app page, click Install or Get, depending on what appears on your screen. After that, the download and installation will begin automatically. The time this takes can vary a little depending on your internet speed and device performance, so just wait for the process to finish. While it installs, it's best to keep the Microsoft Store open and avoid interrupting the download. If your connection is stable, the installation should complete smoothly. When it's done, Microsoft Copilot will be available on your device and ready to open. And that's it. Microsoft Copilot is now installed. If you want, after installation, you can launch it right away from the Microsoft Store or later from your Start menu. If you don't see it immediately, give your system a moment to finish updating the app list. That's the full process for installing Microsoft Copilot. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Copilot, select Microsoft Copilot from the results, and click Install or Get. It only takes a minute or two, and once it's installed, you're ready to start using it.